Every second, millions of trades are executed across the Forex market. Yet over 90% of traders lose money. Why? Because the very platforms they trust are built to deceive them. What if I told you that your trading platform, the one you rely on every day, is not just showing you price data, but shaping your perception of the market itself? Today, we expose the hidden truth behind how trading platforms trick you with false moves, and how institutions use that illusion to take your money before you even know what happened. Thank you to every new subscriber joining the Rise from Zero community. To our returning subscribers, you are the foundation of this movement for financial truth. And to all viewers watching right now, stay with us until the end of this video, because what you'll learn today will permanently change the way you see Forex forever. At Rise from Zero, we expose the financial system for what it truly is, not myths, not marketing, but institutional reality. If you're ready to rise beyond illusion and understand how the market really works, subscribe now, turn on notifications, and let's begin your rise from zero. The Forex market is a $7 trillion daily battlefield. But here's the truth. It's not just traders versus traders. It's traders versus systems. Your trading platform is more than a window to the market. It's a controlled interface, filtered through layers of brokers, liquidity providers, and institutional price feeds. Each layer has one purpose: to profit from your participation. Most traders believe that prices move because of supply and demand. But in reality, platforms and institutions often simulate liquidity, showing false breaks, false reversals, and false confidence, designed to trap retail traders. This matters because every losing trade you take is someone else's winning position. And more often than not, that someone else is a liquidity provider, hedge fund, or algorithm sitting behind your platform's price feed. At Rise from Zero, we don't teach dreams, we teach reality. We break down the ecosystem, how brokers, platforms, and institutions manipulate perception to keep traders trapped in cycles of loss. The first lie begins with what you see. When you open your trading platform, you assume the chart reflects real market data. But in many cases, what you're seeing is a broker-generated price feed, not direct interbank prices. Historically, this started in the early 2000s when retail Forex became digital. Brokers began offering platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5, user-friendly, fast, and designed for retail traders. But beneath the surface, these platforms are connected to broker servers, which can delay or adjust price streams. The result? Slight delays in execution, spreads that widen just before major news, or candles that spike only on your broker's feed, but nowhere else. It's not a glitch, it's control. That false move is engineered to trigger retail stop losses and re-enter the market at better institutional prices. If you don't understand your data source, you're trading illusions. Let's go deeper. Brokers have two main models: A-book and B-book. A-book brokers send your orders to liquidity providers. B-book brokers take the opposite side of your trade. They profit when you lose. Over 70% of retail brokers operate a hybrid system, meaning they can switch between A-book and B-book modes depending on your performance. If your trading pattern shows consistent wins, your orders are sent to the market. If you start losing, they internalize your trades, betting against you. That's where false moves come in. Quick spikes, sudden reversals, phantom wicks. These aren't just random events. They're liquidity traps engineered to push retail traders into emotional decision-making. Thank you to our loyal Rise from Zero subscribers. Your support allows us to reveal truths the financial industry doesn't want retail traders to know. Stay with us. The deeper we go, the more shocking it gets. Trading platforms are designed not only for execution, but for addiction. The layout, the flashing prices, the instant profit loss updates, all mirror casino behavior science. This isn't conspiracy, it's behavioral economics. In 2019, MIT's Behavioral Finance report showed that rapid price feedback increases dopamine release in the brain, leading to impulsive decisions. Platforms exploit that. They turn trading into an emotional loop. Loss, revenge, trade. Win, overconfidence. Loss again, account blown. Meanwhile, institutions remain patient, entering at liquidity zones retail traders abandon. You think you're trading logic, but your platform is trading you. Every false move has one purpose: to collect liquidity. Liquidity means orders, stop losses, buy stops, sell stops, waiting in clusters above or below visible structure. When retail traders see a breakout, institutions see a liquidity pool. Platforms amplify that illusion with misleading price spikes. Historical example: during the 2015 Swiss franc crisis, brokers and liquidity providers adjusted price feeds within milliseconds. Retail traders saw a crash that wiped accounts instantly, while institutions rebalanced at predetermined levels. This isn't randomness, it's execution hierarchy. Institutions execute first, retail executes last. And between those 2 seconds, your stop loss is history. Modern trading platforms are integrated with high-frequency systems. These algorithms scan retail order flows in real time, identifying clusters of positions through aggregated broker data. These algorithms don't trade against the market, they trade against you. By analyzing behavioral patterns, they anticipate retail reaction points. That's why the market often reverses the moment you enter, because your trade was predicted. At Rise from Zero, we exist to break this cycle. If you're tired of being liquidity for institutions, hit that subscribe button now. Stay tuned, because in the next sections, you'll learn how to protect yourself and trade alongside the truth. Spreads are the silent killer of retail profitability. They seem small, 2 or 3 pips, but during volatility, platforms widen them drastically. You don't see it until it's too late. Slippage, the difference between your order price and actual execution, is another silent weapon. When markets move fast, brokers fill your order at less favorable prices, while institutional orders execute instantly. This is how false moves are monetized. They know exactly where your stop loss lies, and they have the data to make sure it gets hit. You're not just trading against the market. You're trading against time, data, and execution speed, all controlled by someone else. Retail traders lose not because they're unskilled, but because the system is built to make them lose. They chase moves created by institutions. They trust data filtered by brokers. They believe charts that are designed to mislead. The result? Emotional fatigue, financial loss, and the belief that they just need a better strategy. In truth, what they need is a better understanding of the ecosystem. Here's the solution: simple, factual, and proven. Use raw institutional data feeds. Avoid retail-only brokers. Trade with liquidity, not against it. Identify where retail stops are likely to be collected and wait for confirmation. Think like an institution. Don't chase prices. Don't react emotionally. Wait for manipulation, then position in silence. Backtest with multi-source data. Compare price feeds between brokers. You'll start seeing the hidden variations that expose false moves. Thank you again to our incredible Rise from Zero community. Every like, comment, and subscription supports our mission to rebuild traders from truth, not fantasy. You now know the truth. Trading platforms don't just connect you to the market, they shape your perception of it. They manufacture false moves, engineer liquidity traps, and manipulate emotions. But knowledge is power. Once you understand how the game is played, you stop being a participant and start becoming a strategist. At Rise from Zero, our goal is to arm you with real understanding. Because the future belongs not to those who trade often, but to those who trade with truth. Subscribe to Rise from Zero right now. Because here, we expose illusions. We decode the system, and we prepare you to rise from nothing into the new generation of institutional-level traders. At Rise from Zero, we don't chase illusions. We chase truth, results, and the financial future. Stay with us, because the next generation of traders belongs to those who rise from nothing and understand the real truth of the markets.